You only need this one tool to make you money, because the amount of money that people are making with this one tool, it's mind-blowing. And the fact that this tool is actually free is the fact that it's still freaking me up to this point. My ladies, my moms, my girlies, I want you guys to start making money. I have seen an opportunity that I feel so many people are sleeping on, and this tool is actually free. People can literally make money with a free tool. And the good thing about all this is you can be able to start with your phone. Like, you don't need to have a laptop. If you just have your phone, then this is a tool you can be able to maneuver with your phone. The second thing is this tool has a lot of things to offer, and it is beginner friendly. The fact that you can be able to maneuver in this tool for free, the fact that I did it, I was able to maneuver in this tool for free and with no experience ever before, then I feel like you need not to let this go to you. And the third thing is the amount of money you can make with this tool. It's mind-blowing. This tool has been able to help so many people, and so many people are still using this as a way to add on money, as a passive income to their daily activities. And as women, as moms, as girls, I do not want you to be left out, and I want you to listen to me and listen very carefully. Let's kick in. This tool is very common. We know it as Canva. I have been using Canva for the last 1 year, and I was able to understand and go through about Canva as very quickly as possible, because it's not a very complicated tool. It's beginner friendly. They have the best templates that you can be able to run around with as a beginner, and you don't have to get complicated. So your question is, how do I start making money with this Canva? So there are so many tools, so many things you can be able to do with Canva, and that's why I just want to give you in a random way. The first one that I was actually working with that came and brought me this idea is creating thumbnails. When you go to places like FIVERR, when you go to places like Upwork, you'll get that so many people bidding and so many people who are offering these services to creating thumbnails. And as YouTubers, we all know that whatever you place out there, the thumbnail is what will make people actually click on that video. So most YouTubers definitely do not know how to create thumbnails, and they are not good at creating thumbnails, but they want their videos to go viral. They want their videos to get more views, and so they definitely will be looking for people to create thumbnails for them. And that's where you come in, my girlie. I know you're asking yourself, how do I go about it? How do I start this? I have created a video on how to create a thumbnail as a beginner. I will link it down here below. It's tutorial. It's very beginner friendly. You can just go and check it out. The link will be down here. That is a good way you can be able to get started. And if you can get 2 to 3 YouTubers who can actually offer you to be creating 2 or 3 thumbnails for them on a weekly basis, and then you offer your services to $10 to $15, you are good to go. And let me tell you, the secret to creating thumbnails is just coming up with a thumbnail that will bring curiosity and will make this person want to know more about it. So that's one thing about creating thumbnails that if you want to venture in, you need to understand. You can also get some inspiration here on YouTube page by watching other people, how they're creating their thumbnails, what is actually making people click on their thumbnails, and from there you can grow your business and be able to actually offer even other more services. The second thing you can start creating and selling through Canva for free is journals and planners. Let me tell you, people are making money with this business. Amazon KDP is giving people a free platform where you just need to create your digital product, that is the planner or the journal, and then you place it on their you create an account on Amazon KDP and you place it there and start promoting it. Again, I have created a full tutorial. Like, I am here just to spill the beans for you, to make you, my girlies, my ladies, start making money with it. And let me tell you, I have also started creating my journals and planners. Like I'm telling you here, I'm not sleeping on this also. I have created it and I have placed mine on Amazon KDP. If you want to get an inspiration, here are some of the pages, the book covers, you can go down here below and just look at the links to my journals and planners and just see an inspiration. Or better yet, you can buy one and then get inspiration from there and start creating other more that you can place on your Amazon KDP and start making money with it. It's a business that people are making thousands of dollars with this, and you can actually ditch your 9 to 5 and start making money with this business idea. The third one on the list is selling ebooks. The amount of people who are selling ebooks here on the online space has not gotten saturated. Whatever it is, you can actually bring it into an ebook that people are willing to buy, as long as the value that you put in your ebook is something that people are willing to buy for it, then they will buy. And when it comes to creating an ebook, again, Canva is your bestie. Canva is your bestie. Go to Canva and search on ebook templates. There are so many. Literally, I was not taught by anyone. I just heard about ebooks. I went to Canva, I started creating, and now I have 2 ebooks. One is Learn and Earn, and another one is Affiliate Marketing for Dummies. These are some of the ebooks I have been able to create, and I can see the results coming out. People are buying. I have not sold a lot because I do not have a big margin of eyeballs on my side, but I'm not giving up. I am not giving up, bestie, because I know this is something that is not adding any weight on my shelf. It is something that is digital. People just need to go. I just need to keep on promoting, and people will see it and they will go and buy it. So you need to start creating ebooks. If you are in the wellness industry, if you're in the food, if you're in any category of niche, start creating those ebooks and then place them on. Again, if you do not have a website, for me, I have a website, but if you do not have a website, Amazon KDP can also help you. So do not use an excuse like I do not have a website. No, I myself started with Amazon KDP, and I know that with time, when you start getting the money, you can place your ebooks on your website when you actually apply for it. But when you're just a beginner, place it on Amazon and start selling it. The fourth thing that you can actually use Canva to start making money is selling templates. Are you good in creating Pinterest templates? Are you good in creating Instagram templates? Start making money with these things. Let me tell you, I have a website. Like I said, I create blog posts, and I need to promote my blog posts on places like Pinterest because I need to bring more traction to it. And when I say the amount of time it takes me to create Pinterest templates, it's a lot. If you can just be able to create 100 templates, they do not have to be something complicated, but they need to be something that will bring attraction, and then place it on your website and start selling it as a template to people, or just on your social media. Tell people about it, tell people what you do, show people the ins and out, and start promoting your templates. People will buy these things. You can sell them at $5, at $8, or even $10, depending on how much time it actually took you. And templates are very many. They don't have to be just Pinterest. You can do things to do with email templates. If your audience are people who are business owners and they want to, promote their business on emails, and they are not good when it comes to email designing, if you can design a good email template and then sell it to them, it will actually save them a lot of drama. There are things to do with Instagram templates. If you can do this, create them and sell them. I actually created a social media portfolio template and I sell it at $3, and when I say that I have been able to make at least $30 out of it, I know that this thing will make you money. And it literally just took me 30 minutes to create it and just place it on Gumroad, and I was able to start selling. So if you do not have a place, Gumroad is your bestie. You can be able to create whatever you create and then place it on Gumroad, although they will cut you a certain amount, but it's not that high. So if you can place your templates to be $5, then there's an amount that you will be cut, but they'll not cut you that bad again. So don't sit on this, don't sit on these things, don't sit telling yourself, giving yourself excuses. As a girly, as a lady, as a mom, take those 2 hours of your time, take those 3 hours of your time and invest in actually making money on the online space. People are moving out of the story where people used to think that you need to have a 9 to 5, you need to go out for you to be able to make money. You have money on your hands. Your phone is a tool that will help you to make money. Your laptop is a tool that will help you to make money. Like I always say, do not use your phone as a tool to destroy you, but let it be a tool that will help you to build you and help you make money. If you found value in this video, I suggest that you please like this video, share it to as many moms like you, as many ladies like you, as many young girls, beautiful girls like you, and tell them to just be able to get there, help them to just be able to get the inspiration that you have gotten from this video. And do not forget to subscribe again to this YouTube channel. I help young women, I help young moms to be able to invest in themselves, I help them to learn about personal development, self-improvement, making money and business ideas. Again, from me to you, it's bye-bye.